up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscriber. And again, it's another pretty vlog that you will discover here at Ninong TV kasama ang inyong host, your Denver Ninong Castro, your beauty vlogger and your host for this moment. Ngayon ang ating pag-usapan at ang ating tatalakay our special vlog, something interesting sa mga naghahanap ng mga bagong idol, sa mga naghahanap ng mga new discoveries in talents, singing, dance, or any shows, naghahanap ng mga bagong crush. And sakto-sakto palabas. Also make this as part of education and entertainment para malaman din natin ang information, the way of life, and how they started. At ang ating vlog for today is Top 5 Hottest Kapuso Teen Star. Alright, sino-sino kaya ngayon sa ating generation, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga kapuso, kaway-kaway, mga kapuso fans club, mga solid sparkle fans club, at naghahanap or may mga iniidolong artista mula dito sa GMA. At bilang ninong nyo ay isa akong instrumento para makapagbigay ng daan sa mga iniidolo or sa mga nire-research yung tao from Sparkle na it can be makatulong sa education or yung for inquiries kung sino-sino nga ba sila. Okay, for the top 1, kasi top 5 to, di-discover muna natin sa ating top 5. Unang-una ay si Allen Ansay in the top 5. Ito si Allen. Kilala nyo ito. So, in the Starstruck, no? Ng GMA. I think last 2017 ko pa ito napanood or 2018. He was one of the nominated dito sa Starstruck. He's an actor and a player in sports. One of the finalists of Starstruck GMA Celebrity Hunt. Blogger and TikTokerist, may artist. You know? Siya po si Allen Ansay. Ang isa sa mga sikat na GMA Sparkle ngayon na napapanood natin in GMA at gumaganap sa mga ibang palabas. Just like ngayon na sa Open 24/7, gumanap siya dun sa Love Issue, yung magpakailanman variety shows, and some of the Sparkle shows. Okay? So yan po si Allen Ansay. I know may mga girls or boys na talagang idol siya pagdating sa mga millennial looks and for a great talent. Sa ating namang top 4, ito po madidiscover natin ang ating top 4 kapuso teen star na si Paul Salas. Ayan, Paul Salas is also ang Pagilina at talagang maraming nakakilala dito at maraming may gusto rin dito. So, Paul Salas is a former child star and going lyric actor from ABS-CBN. Worked as a protagonist in bench stores and bench body. He became a GMA celebrity on his 20s of years and also worked as a vlogger in TikTok. So, marami dito talaga puro vlogger at TikTokerist. No? Ang mga sumasali dito sa GMA Sparkle. At dito sila mas lalong nag-i-spark sa paggawa ng mga TikTok at picture, just like your Ninong. Pero hindi pa ako kasama sa Sparkle, ha? Ninong dito pala. Okay. Si Paul Salas is one of the actor na napapanood natin at hindi lang naman sa pagiging teen star kasi lumalabas na siya sa mga action shows, drama, and somehow comedy. So, halo-halo na rin ang talent niya and is a multi-modelist, no? Internally and externally, he modeled in the bench store. So, siya yung makikita nyo to. Para naman sa ating top 3 na top 5 kapuso teen stars na discover nyo dito sa ating Ninong TV. At ito, kababayan ko from Cavite, my celebrity idol since 2012. And he's a former GMA child star, na teen star na at napapanood natin in present shows of the GMA. So for our top 3, we will have Will Ashley De Leon. Top 3, child star in GMA from 2012 up to 2017. Later on, he became a teen star from 2018 up to now and roles a great scenes like drama, romance, and action. He also worked as a multi-vlogger and TikToker. So, siya po si Will Ashley De Leon. Hindi po siya kamag-anak ni Tito Joey De Leon. Kasi De Leon. Pero, one of his shortcut or easy name na pwede nating ma-discover sa kanya is Will Ashley. So, just research Will Ashley, the social media, and he will appear. And kita natin yung mga shows niya talagang nagle-level up kasi. Siyempre, as he aging, kasi dati sa mga drama rin na rin siya, nasasama siya sa shows ni Happy Igerman, like Ding Dong Dantes, and some of that is action. So, isa na rin siya sa mga nakaka-adapt doon. And later on, we see Will Ashley on these action shows. Like, sa magpakailanman, may mga roles yan talagang napipil mo from the bone to the skin, to the soul. No? Yung talagang kanyang action or talagang show talagang very, very fantastic. But some of them is his role in a real life. Diba? Okay, so we will have the top 2. Okay. Malapit na tayo mag-top 1. For our top 2, Kapuso Teen Stars. Ito, napapanood ko rin ito. Is one of the talented and one of the great in sports in Taekwondo. Parang Jackie Chan.
You lose.
Still touching.
Oh, talagang Jackie Chan talaga literal. And he is Kit Ornales for top 2. So, sino ang kasikip niya? The son of martial arts actor Michael Roy Ornales. O, diba? Papa niya, taekwondo rin pala. Alright? So, he's a Filipino child star from GMA Sparkle, model, taekwondo player, and commercial actor. He also worked as a blogger and TikToker. So, TikTokers pala itong mga to. O, sakto, naghanap kayo ng mapapalo. I-follow nyo na itong mga artistang pinapakita ko sa inyo as part of your research. Sa Ninong TV nyo lang din na-discover to. So, si It Hornales, I discovered this first of all dun sa commercial na yung Combi. The Combi, yung pinapay, yung biscuit. Akala ko nga kapatid siya ni Ruro Madrid kasi parang medyo hawig ni Ruro. Medyo bata sa Ruro datingan nito. Pero that is It Hornales pala that I discovered. Reported in 24 Horas, play as a martial arts promoted by his daddy, Michael Roy Hornales. Okay? At ito na po ang ating top 1. Kapuso Teen Stars of our generation na ating nadidiscover. Isa rin siyang TikTokeries at madalas nakikita sa aking Facebook. Pagka-open mo ng Facebook, nakikita mo natin yung talent niya. Somehow, I visit and I like the dances. Talagang i-dance from the latest up to the greatest. May pang lolo, may pang millennial. And he is Seth De La Cruz, our top 1. Artist Kapuso Teen Star. Ito talaga very ang pato nag-start as a Sparkle at the young age napapanood na rin natin ito. Okay. Isang Filipino child star came from GMA Sparkle and now one of the teen star who is airing. He was shown, special shout out, Sean, my best friend. Hello. Sean, pero yung spelling na okay. In several GMA shows like Mulawin at Pakailanman, Sikain at Abel, Love in the Sunset Startup page, and is also a video blogger and TikTokerist and philanthropist. Okay, so philanthropist is the one who is doing a donation. Yes, nagdodonate talaga ito ng mga kahon-kahon ng mga grocery package, sa mga nasalanta, somehow mga apparel dinodonate yan and his family. Then it was also pictured in GMA Kapuso in the 24 Oras. So, Seth is also good in TikTok, in dancing, from the latest kasi nakikita ko yung palabas nito. Nagtitiktok siya yung September, yung pang RJ. Tapos may mga pang millennial na. So you just research Seth De La Cruz. It's also open now for a business collab, yung mga show, or gusto magpa-collab sa kanya. So, chat lang natin siya. So, there you have the top 5 hottest Kapuso teen stars. So, medyo malapit na rin ang summer at ito ang magbibigay sa atin ng summer pagdating sa modeling, great actor, service, and giving us talent and skills in sing and dance to promote our talent of being a Filipino and to maximize our talent and skills. Diba? So for the next episode, you will discover is the collaboration of all celebrities that I've mentioned to show their talents and skills, modeling, kung ano man, as we promote here, the Kapuso Teen Star. for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa, The Top 5 Hottest Kapuso Teen Stars. So sa ating generation, ito po ay nakatulong for your research, for your inquiry, searching your idol, searching your inspiration, na kung sakali some of them is also part of your research, naway naisulat niyo sila sa mga notebooks niyo or on your project purposes. As one of the modeling of the today's celebrities and expansion of our talents, skills, and dance and to promote our Filipino talent, di ba? Parang ano na rin to, parang batang sining din. Di ba? So, we have the top 5. we have the top 5 of celebrity. We are researching from it. So, subscribe to TV from YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and Google. Just search Ninong TV and Broadcast. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood. And see you again for another video vlog on here at Ninong